Hi, this is Daniel DiTuro. In this video, I'll share alcohol and heart health, what is a moderate amount of alcohol, alcohol calories are second only to fat, alcohol's health risks, alcohol versus sugar alcohols, and cooking with alcohol. For decades, research indicated drinking alcoholic beverages in moderation provided several health benefits. The polyphenol resveratrol in red wine was linked to heart health. Correcting biases in the research found wine drinkers were healthier, but not due to drinking wine. For example, French and Italians are more active than Americans. Their diet is mostly minimally processed foods. Foods have little or no synthetic chemical additives. They have lower rates of obesity and diabetes and fewer deaths due to heart disease. Drinking alcoholic beverages does not offset the risks associated with a sedentary lifestyle and diets of highly processed foods. Any health benefits were linked to moderate drinking. That meant no more than 2 drinks a day for men and 1 drink for women. A drink was classified as 12 ounces of beer, 5 ounces of wine, and 1.5 ounces of liquor. 2 people consuming a 750 milliliter bottle of wine is not moderate drinking. If your weight gain is due to excess calories, reducing the number of alcoholic beverages can cut hundreds of calories from your diet. Alcohol is second only to fat in calories per gram. 1 drink has between 100 to 150 calories. The health benefits of alcoholic beverages is not due to alcohol, but plant chemicals like resveratrol. These foods provide resveratrol without alcohol. While most research has not proven resveratrol's health benefits, eating high resveratrol foods is healthier than drinking alcohol. Unlike resveratrol, ethyl alcohol in alcoholic beverages is toxic and addictive. Unfortunately, alcohol consumption and deaths have surged since the COVID pandemic. Women are closing the alcohol consumption gap with men. Studies show alcohol increases the risk of breast cancer. It's also linked to an increased risk of atrial fibrillation. The saying "all things in moderation" applies to healthy people. Being obese, diabetic, or having hypertension is not healthy. Many low-carb foods and artificial sweeteners are made from sugar alcohols. Sugar alcohols are not digested like sugar, so they reduce blood glucose spikes. Sugar alcohols are a carbohydrate that are neither sugar nor alcohol. They do not pose the same health risks associated with ethyl alcohol. Some recipes list an alcoholic beverage as an ingredient. The amount is usually less than 1 drink, and if heated, most of the alcohol evaporates. Cooking with alcoholic beverages does not pose the same health risk associated with drinking alcoholic beverages. Please leave a comment if you have any questions about this video. Thank you for watching, and healthy eating.